Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can manage and customize the toolbar in your Google Chrome web browser. For example, to add your favorite tools to it, like the extensions on Google Chrome, your browsing history, Google Lens, bookmarked websites, the extension center, and so on and so forth. All of that through the toolbar here, so that you don't have to access your browser settings all the time to enable or disable these features or to access them. So let us dive into this and show you each step of the process. So what you want to do is launch Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. And as you can see, guys, my toolbar features currently the extension center. Then we got Google Lens here, my browsing history, the downloads, and so on and so forth. You will see also the home button here in the top left corner, the refresh button, back and forth button. So you can customize all of these guys and even change their position. Let me show you how you can do this. So option number one would be to access your browser settings. If you want to do this that way, guys, click into these three dots here, click into settings, and inside your browser settings, navigate to appearance. And here, guys, you may, for instance, enable the home button, for instance, or show the bookmarks bar, and so on and so forth, or customize your toolbar even more by clicking into this button or reset it to default. The other way, guys, would be to simply click into these three dots here. That's the faster way. And to simply hover your mouse over more tools here and click into Customize Chrome. And from there, expand toolbar here and simply enable or disable each function or tool you would like to have included here in your toolbar. As you can see, the home button is already included. We got the forward button, but you can go with any of these, the bookmarks, your reading list. Let me do that really quickly. So if you toggle them on, they will appear here in that list, like the download. Let me also enable the print tool or button, then the QR code generator, the reading mode, and also the task manager. So quite a lot of these. You may close that, of course, if you like, by clicking into that X button here. So to rearrange them, guys, or to change their position, simply left click into it and move it to your preferred position. So very intuitively. Or to access them, simply left click into the given tool, like let me go with Google Lens. That is going to open up Google Lens so that you may make screenshots, for example, of your display, and for example, use them for searches online based on that screenshot. So that's one way, guys. You may also unpin these tools by right clicking into them. So let's go again with the Google Lens tool and select unpin to remove it from your toolbar. You may also right click into them and select Customize Toolbar and be redirected to that menu here. And last but not least, reset your entire toolbar to default by clicking into this button. And that's how it works, guys. As you can see, very simple. Now the home button has disappeared. So let me just enable it back again here, show home button. You may move it also here to the left if you like. So that's basically it. That's how it works, guys. That's how you customize and manage your toolbar on Google Chrome in 2025. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.